Hello learners, welcome to our Wireshark tutorials. I am Sunil Gupta and I am your instructor for this course. As you can see, I am a web security specialist and a computer science engineer, and I'm currently working in cybersecurity industry. If we talk about this course contains 1.5 hours video course. As I already told you in my courses that I only use practicals in my course. I don't use any theory in my course. And if we talk about our course content, then you can see that I have divided my course into almost 9 modules, in which if we talk about, the first one is introduction to Wireshark, the Wireshark installation procedure. Second is the three-way handshaking practical in Wireshark. Then the top 10 filter of Wireshark. It is a must-watch video, guys. The fourth one is if you want to track location of a person, of a company, then you can track via using Wireshark. Fifth, if you want to steal cookie of Facebook, then you can also do this with the Wireshark. Sixth, if you want to grab credentials, username and password of a HTTP website, then there's a practical for you. Seventh, if you want to find open ports in a network using Wireshark. Eighth, if you don't know what is phishing, how you can phish a web page, then you can learn in the section 8. And in section 9, if there is an employee who is working in your company and who is doing phishing, or who is a victim of phishing, then how you will detect a phishing using Wireshark, that will be included in this course. So it is a 1.5-hour course, a fully practical course, and it is a very productive course also. So you should enroll in this course to learn Wireshark. In the end of the course, you will get a Wireshark certification, and you can also download a ebook on sniffing. As you can see, click on the section 3 and you can just click on sniffing.pdf and you will get a free ebook of sniffing after you enroll in my course. So thank you so much, guys. Enroll now and learn Wireshark with me.